Today we'll start with the revision sheet, and let's start with the first question. Ali Sultan. Okay, Ali, go ahead.
Shows 5/8 as a multiple of a unity fraction.
B. Okay, let's see here. Okay, Ali, thank you. But what do you mean by multiple of a unit fraction? Okay, the unit fraction, my heroes, here is 1/8. Okay, this is the unit fraction. This is a unit fraction. And we need to write 5/8 as a multiple of 1/8. So we want to multiply something by 1/8. What should we multiply by 1/8? We should multiply 5. So this is 5 times 1/8. Okay, as you can see, my heroes, we have here no correct choice. All answers here are wrong. And we see here that we have repeated choices. So let's fix this. We will change the last one. Change it. So erase this and write it 5 times 1/8. And this is the correct choice. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, let's move to the next question. Ahmed Fahad. Ahmed Fahad. Maitham.
Yes, Mr.
Go ahead.
Georgia's 1/2 mile 3 times a week. How far does Georgia run?
What should we do? We need to repeat the 1/2, right?
Yeah.
How many times? 3 times, because it's 3 times a week, and we have here 1 week. So we need to repeat 1/2 3 times. So we are multiplying 3 times 1/2. Okay. Go ahead. Maitham.
Yes, Mr.
Go ahead.
3 multiplying 1 equals 3, and the denominator is equals 1.
So 3/2.
Yeah.
This is improper fraction. Let's write it as a mixed number. 3 divided by 2. Again, 3 divided by 2 equals. We are doing long division, right?
1.
Okay, so 1 and 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract. Maitham, go ahead. Do not mute your mic. Oh, okay. So the whole number here is in the top. This is the whole, and down here, this is the numerator. The remainder is the numerator. So the answer is a whole 1 and 1/2. Thank you, Maitham. Okay, my heroes, any problems? So let's move to the next question.
Mr. Your sound is lagging.
Okay. Just a second. Okay, my heroes, can you hear me well?
Yeah, now it works.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Thamer? Thamer,
Yes, Mister.
go ahead.
1/3.
Mm-hmm.
5 multiply 1 equals 5.
And the denominator?
Okay, no, 3.
Okay, this is improper fraction, right?
Yeah, but no one like no answer like this, because what we will do the 5 has how many 3 1 3. We will take the 3 and we will have 2.
I like how you explain. I like this. But let's do it as long division to make it easy for your friends. Okay, so let's use how many 3's goes in 5? You said
1
1. Okay, and 1 multiply 3.
1 multiply 3 equals 3.
So we have remaining the remainder
1
5 minus 3. 5 minus 3.
2.
So what is the whole number?
C.
You mean this one is the correct choice? Yes. Okay, 1, and we have in the numerator 2, and the denominator we don't change it. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. My heroes, do you have any problems? Okay, let's move down. Is there anyone writing?
No.
Okay, let's move to the next question, more heroes. Malik Salman. Malik Salman, go ahead.
Okay. Find 4 multiply 1 and a half.
Mm-hmm.
4 multiply 1 equals 4. 4 multiply a half equals 4 halves.
Okay, let's rewrite it.
And the 4 halves is improper fraction.
Mm-hmm.
So we will make 4 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will be 2 and over 0.
No, we don't have denominator. When we don't have denominator, it's 1, not 0. Okay, so it's a whole 2.
Yes.
So it's 4 plus 2,
Yeah.
which is,
6.
so the correct choice is letter.
C.
Thank you, great work, my hero.
In the worksheet,
Mm-hmm.
put the answer 5.
The answer in the worksheet is 5.
Yeah. A. For A. Is it it's a writing mistake?
Yes, maybe. Maybe like question number 1. Okay, so my heroes, the correct choice here is this one, C.
And I have a question, Mister.
Again, Malik?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, you can ask.
Question 1. The answer I put, it can be C or D. They are both.
My hero, question number 1, we fixed it. It's all answers here, all choices, they're wrong.
Just D is the correct.
No. D is also wrong. We changed it.
Oh, okay.
The correct choice is 5 multiplied by the unit fraction 1/8. Okay, my hero? Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, my heroes, you know, if you have any problems with the connection, you can watch the video. علي الشخص؟ علي الشخص؟
Yes, Mister.
Go ahead.
What is the multiplication equation of whole number times the fraction to go with this picture? 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8 and 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12.
My hero, we need multiplication, not addition. What are we repeating? We are repeating this, right? What's this?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this fraction?
5.
The denominator is 5, yes. And how many shaded parts?
2.
So this is 2/5. We are repeating
Yeah.
2/5. How many times?
4 times.
So we need to repeat it 4 times. So which one is the correct choice? Repeat 2/5 4 times. So we need to repeat 2/5 4 times. Right? So which one, Ali, is the correct choice?
A.
Great. Okay, thank you, Ali. My heroes, any problems? Any questions? Of course, here my heroes, 8/5 because we multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, let's move down. Ibrahim Jalala. Okay, Ibrahim, okay. Someone told me that he cannot see the worksheet sent to me in WhatsApp. Okay, go ahead, Ibrahim.
Candle is doing his science homework. For each problem, she used three-fourths of a sheet of paper. How many sheets for paper will she need to complete 12 problems?
Okay, so we are repeating 3/4, right? Because 3/4 for each problem. My hero,
Yes.
do not mute your mic. Okay, what should we do? Mm-hmm.
3/4
Mm-hmm.
multiply
Great.
12.
Okay, I like to write it 12 times 3/4. Okay, go ahead. Multiply the. Okay, go ahead. 12 times 3.
Multiply 12.
2 times 3. Then 1 times 3.
63. 36.
36. And the denominator?
Denominator is uh, 48.
Oh, no. You should multiply the denominator also?
No,
We don't multiply the denominator. We do not multiply the denominator. So, keep it. It's only 4. Okay, 36/4. We don't have this in the choices. So, let's fix it. 36 divided by 4.
9.
Great. So, the correct choice is
9.
9 sheets. Letter C. Okay, my heroes. Let's move to the last question this page. Muhammad Raed. Muhammad Raed,
He,
go ahead.
um, 8 hours 30 minutes. 7 hours 35 minutes. 8 plus I mean 13 is
Mm-hmm.
35 minutes equals an hour and 5 minutes.
Oh, great. But we can do this in another step. But now let's write it as 65. And for the next step, we will write the 65 minutes as 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay. 8.
Plus
Mm-hmm.
7 equals 15.
Okay, let's rewrite it now. We said now we have only 5 minutes, right? And how many hours?
Is
We make
5 minutes.
we make the 65 minutes to be 1 hour and 15 minutes. So the minutes now is 5, and we will add 1 to the hours to be 16 hours. Okay, so the correct choice is
D.
D. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Now let's move to the next question. Jed? 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 Abdulaziz? Abdulaziz, okay. Jed? Go ahead, Jed. Okay, just a second after Jed. Jed first. Jed, go ahead. 8 times 1/4 an hour. I can't hear you, Jed. Go ahead, my hero. 8 times 1. Jed, I cannot hear you. 8 times... Okay, go ahead. And the denominator? Jed, go ahead. I can't hear you, my hero. Go ahead. So, the denominator as it is. 8/4. And now we will rewrite this because it's here improper fraction. So we need to divide 8 by 4. 8 divided 4. Okay, so this is 2. And the correct choice should be 2 hours. Thank you, Jed. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Abdulaziz Khalid? Okay, go ahead, Abdulaziz. How many weeks in 707 days? What should we do?
Multiply.
What? Multiply? We are not repeating. Divide 707 by what number? Okay, let's do this. You can do this vertically or horizontally, whatever. If you want to use long division, it's okay. What do you want to do? Long division? Or you want to just do it here on the line here?
Here on the line.
Okay, so we will start from the right or from the left?
From the right.
Oh! What?
Left.
Of course. Okay, let's go ahead. 7 divided 7 equals
7 divided 7. Wait.
divide, not times.
Okay. 1.
And 0 divided by 7.
7.
What?
0. 7 divided.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And 7 divided 7 equals
7 divided 7 equals 1.
okay. So we can do it on the line here because we don't have any remainders. So it's very easy to do it directly. And what is your answer?
B.
Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes. Any problems?
No.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Muhammad Hisham,
Here.
go ahead. Peter measured the height of all trees in his backyard. The line plot shows the heights of his trees in feet. And this is the question. How many trees in all? 12. How do you know that it's 12?
Because there's a, count them all, they are all 12.
Yes, so we count all points or all x's. So we need to count all of them. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Danielle? Danielle,
Yes.
go ahead. Heather,
It's
measured.
measure the weight of all the tree.
Wait, where? What way?
The line shows the weight.
What are you reading? This is question number 11, right?
Heather measured all of the carrots that she picked from her garden.
Mm-hmm.
The line plot shows the length of her carrot and inch
Mm-hmm.
carrot length is most common.
Yes.
Which carrot is most common?
Which one is most common?
B.
B, 6 inches.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, let's move to the next one.
What is number 10?
Okay, Danielle. Number 10, we count all of them.
Okay.
Okay. My heroes, if you want to ask about anything, ask. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Abdullah Mubarak.
Yes, Mr.
Go ahead.
Heather measured all the carrots that she picked from her garden. The line wall shows the length of her carrots in inches. How many carrots does Heather have in all?
Okay, so
We are plus no stop.
yes, I want to know what are you saying because I can't hear you well. You said that we will do plus.
Yes.
Okay, I don't understand. So go ahead.
Mr. You know me.
Mm-hmm.
All time I say for you, I don't understand.
You don't know how to do this?
No.
Okay, but the question here, my hero, how many carrots does Heather have in all? Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see question number 10. I think it's the same. In question number 10, how many trees in all did he have in his backyard? So I think we should do the same. What should we do? Count all dots, all points. Let's count the points. Count them.
This the X.
Yes. Yes, that's right. So the correct choice here is 15 carrots. Okay, so Abdullah, if you have any problems with the line plots, you need to focus on this. Okay, we have other questions also for the line plots. Focus on them. Okay, my hero. And if you have any problems or you don't understand anything, please tell me. Okay, my heroes. So question number 12. The answer is A. Any problems? Let's move to question number 13. Ala? Ala?
Yes, Mister.
Go ahead.
Measures all pens in her desk. In plot shows the length of her pens in inches. How long is her shortest pen? 8.
The shortest. This one is the shortest?
Yes.
I think 8 inches is the longest, not the shortest.
So it's 4 inches.
Yes, we have here. We have dots at the 4 here, so 4 inches is the smallest. So this is the shortest pen here. This is the smallest length. So the correct choice here is 4 inches. Okay, thank you, Ala. My heroes, any problems with question number 13? Okay, let's move to the next one. And for this one, it's the same question but with this difference. So this time we need the the longest. I'm choosing my hero. I'm saying the names. Okay. Riyadh. 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 Hussein. 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 Hussein.
But, Mister, but why is 8 the longest and it has 1 dot? Just.
Oh, okay. So I'll answer you, but here my heroes, everyone, the longest one here is 8. So I will choose D. And now let's answer you. Ala, you say that why is 8 the longest, right? Ala?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what are the lengths that we have? We have 4 inches,
4 inches has
5 inches, 6 inches,
5 inches, 6,
7 inches, and
8. 8 inches.
okay. So if I ask you how many times or how many pens are 4 inches,
I will say 3.
3 pens. And for the same for all of them. Okay, now what is the shortest and what is the longest? The shortest pen is 4 inches and the longest is 8 inches. Okay, Ala?
Why it's 8 has 1 dot? I want to know. Has just 1. How it's 8?
Yes, so we have 1 pen here. Okay, let's take this in another question. Let's take this for another one. What about this one? Question 12. What is the shortest and what is the longest? This is not shortest and longest. This is heavy. This is weight. The line shows the length. Yes, this is length R2. Okay, what is the shortest here and what is the longest?
The longest is 6.
No, the most common is 6. No. The most common is 6. But the longest is 7. My hero, wait.
I
So,
want to know
Okay, the most common, like this question here. Question 11. Okay, Ala? So, we have here difference between the questions. This one is most common. Most common means most repeated. It has more number of dots. So, the most common, it has more dots or more points. More points or more dots. Okay?
Mister, your sound is lagging.
Okay. My heroes, thank you, Ala. Do you have any problems now? Okay, thank you. Mute your mic.
Mister, there's a weird sound.
My father.
Okay, Ala, mute your mic.
Can I have
Ala.
this question?
Oh, okay, quickly, Ala, because you have noise in the mic. I can't hear you, my hero.
Difference between the most
The most common? The most common is the most repeated.
No, I know, but what is the difference between most common and the greater?
Oh, the greater here is 7. In this question, the greater is 7, and the most common is 6. And the smaller is 3. Okay?
Okay, now
Okay. Thank you, Ala. My heroes, any questions? Any problems? Okay, thank you, everyone. This is the end of our session. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.